Today we are going over how to install LEDs for your Ender 3. I guess you could use it for any 3D printer as long as it's connected to the Raspberry Pi for Octoprint. Here you can see my LED strip is only connecting with 3 wires going into the Raspberry. There's a bunch of wires, but really you only need 3: voltage, ground, signal. Here is the pinout for the Raspberry 3. So on the Raspberry 3, you only need ground, voltage 3.3, and GPIO 10. Right now, it is idle, so that's why you're seeing the LED going back and forth like that. It is 3 feet long, but I cut mine to be about 2 feet. Most people mount it everywhere, but I just want it to be only on the 2 sides of the frames. Seeing how that my camera is on the left hand side, I definitely don't want it to be on the opposing side, or else I'll get too much glare on the camera. To install this properly, we will loosen these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift this thing out. Once you remove this rail upward, then there's plenty of positions down here that you can slide the LED strip within this rail, and then have the power cable go down and back to the Raspberry Pi in the back. Installation was supposed to be super easy, but it wasn't. The LED strip was supposed to go in here and make a 90-degree turn over there, but these are highly conductive, the white silver part of the bar. So I had to trim the edges down, trim this edges down, and other side as well, because when the LED bent, it will hit these bars and will conduct electricity. So that's a big no-no. By shaving the edges off a little bit, it helps with the turn, and it doesn't touch the LEDs at all. And just to be extra sure, I use electrical tape to cover up these bare electrical copper connections. This is bare, this is cover. Once the LED strip is in place, this is what it looks like. You can have it do whatever you want via the software. Right now it's just going back and forth with the green LEDs. Let's go into Octoprint and see what it looks like on the software side, shall we? Once you're done with the hardware, let's take a look into your Octoprint settings. This is the add-on that I installed. Open the settings for it. Be sure that the proper pins from the RPi 3 or 4 is connected. I pretty much left everything by default. I think the only thing I changed is that when the print starts, it's all white. All of the LEDs are white. And then as the print progresses, then each of the white pin change to green. So once the print is completely done, then the whole printer will be lit green LEDs. Hopefully this tutorial gives you some confidence in setting up your own LEDs. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.